Here's SEKAI app or SEKAI. Play, build, remix, build your own mini games. SEKAI is an AI-powered game creation platform designed for building custom mini games, interactive systems, and expressive character-driven experiences. Instead of static content, SEKAI lets anyone use AI to design gameplay, craft logic, shape characters, and create dynamic, replayable AI games without writing code. AI-assisted game creation, advanced AI characters, multimodal interaction, role-play style systems. So yes, there are more and more apps where you can actually, just with help of few prompts, create games, quite advanced small mobile games yourself. So you can just do that with AI prompts and then play it and share with other people, and the other people can play, bookmark it. So pretty cool. So then just select it, and then you can see how old are you, and then you can see your age, and then, for example, this kind of stuff you can see. And then these kind of games, you can see what other people created. And then you can also create your own games in here. So you can just go in here, sign up with Apple ID, and try to create your own games. So let me just show you how it is possible. So jam. Type your idea and start. And then you can just try to build it, and then literally, of course, you can just chat and yeah, have more. And yeah, that's kind of the idea. So yeah, it still takes time. Yeah, it's a bit longer than 1-2 minutes. So now it's here, and now yeah, I can then just move like that. So yes, completely built game by this app, and then you can see art completion for 5%. Quite cool, right? And then yeah, with this red button you can accelerate. So yeah, quite cool. And then you can then just post it and collect followers like that. So this is quite cool. So this is kind of the app, and you can then just change your name. Yeah, quite cool, and you can do it for free, so you can just generate these games. And that's kind of the idea. So try it out.